Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to enable auto login in Windows 10 or 11. So in this video, we are going to use one application that is provided by Microsoft. So let's start the video and follow the steps. First, open your browser and search auto login Windows 11 download. Click on this first option. This is a Microsoft provided portal. So download this tool from here. It will download a zip file. Once downloaded, then go to download location and extract the file. Let me copy it on desktop. So right click and extract it. Okay, now open the folder and run the second file from here. Double click and run it. Click on agree. Now just enter your Windows password here and click on enable. Let me enter my password. Just enter the password and click on enable, so it will enable the okay, it is enabled. Click on OK and restart your desktop or laptop and you can check the effect. Or if you want to disable it, run the same setup again. Let me check. Once you run, again type the password, the same Windows password again, and then click on disable, so it will disable it. Click on OK and restart. It will ask for the password. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.